possession was on time since it was a Diwali festival season kind of. So 1 or 2 days here and there is considerable. Apart from that, it was on time, I would say. Yeah. Right now, there is no any other competitor at that level to match. So I would give 10 out of 10.
I am fully satisfied.
And at last, I would also like to say about the staff. They are really friendly and they are really professional. Starting from, it doesn't matter like staff is doing what. Even, the office boys or salesperson, CRM, other designer also. I hardly met 1 or 2, but yeah, they are really professional and we enjoy time here actually. Just before, we have not yet moved, but we enjoy being in the office, being in the surroundings. Yeah.
Nutric Properties.
Namaste everyone. I am Subriti Sharma and I welcome you all here once again at Nutric Properties. And today we are having with us Mrs. Jyoti Sharma, Mr. Bharat Sharma and Master Devansh with us. And they have recently purchased a property with us in a project called Eden Garden, and they all are here to share their experience with us. So let's hear from them. Namaste ma'am.
Namaste.
Hello. मैम मैं पहले आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, आपके बारे में बताइए, आप क्या करते हैं, आपका नाम सब कुछ।
मेरा नाम ज्योति है और मैं एक होम मेकर हूँ।
सब प्लीज़ आप बताइए।
मैं हूँ भरत शर्मा और मैं एक IT प्रोफेशनल हूँ और अभी मुझे कुछ 14 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है IT में।
आप बताइए।
I am Devansh Sharma and I am a student of grade 5.
ओके मैम और सर, मैं आपसे एक चीज़ जानना चाहूँगी कि जैसे कि आप लोगों ने थोड़ा हमारी ऑडियंस को आप ये बताइए कि आपने अभी रिसेंटली क्या परचेज किया है न्यूट्रिक में।
आप बोलो।
तो अभी हमने एक फ्लैट परचेज़ किया है जो कि ईडन गार्डन प्रॉपर्टी का नाम है और न्यूट्रिक की प्रॉपर्टी है और हमें काफ़ी अच्छा लगा प्रॉपर्टी और लोकेशन वगैरह बहुत अच्छा लगा और वी आर रियली हैप्पी विद दिस परचेज़।
मैम सर, मैं आपसे एक चीज़ जानना चाहूँगी, मतलब वो आपका दैट मोमेंट कब था जब आपको व्हेन यू वर सिटिंग एंड देन द थॉट केम इन योर माइंड कि अभी हमको ना हमारे लिए घर देखना चाहिए, एक प्रॉपर्टी देखनी चाहिए। उस दौरान आपकी न्यूट्रिक से किस तरीके से मुलाकात हुई, कब आपको पता चला न्यूट्रिक के बारे में? तो वो थोड़ा सा एक जर्नी मैं आप जानना चाहूँगी फ्रॉम योर थॉट टिल न्यूट्रिक।
So the thing is, we recently moved to Gwalior again. I mean, this is our native, yes, but we have been working at different locations like Bangalore for 5 years. I started from Gurgaon late in 2012, and then we went to Ahmedabad as well.
Okay.
And then I got opportunity to work as work from home. So I just thought, okay, why should not we go back to Gwalior and try our native town and spend some localites kind of work environment, because I was really frustrated moving to different city, moving to every other location and changing the rented house every time. So and when we were here in Gwalior, I was just looking, okay, this is the right time that I should look for own house here. And as far as work from home is going on, so there will be no issue. So and then I was just looking some options, and Nutric was one of the I came to know that the oldest property in Gwalior, that was Silver Estate. I know Silver Estate very well. During my preparation time for entrance exam for my engineering, I was living nearby, and yeah, it was really fascinating for me to know that Gwalior has such kind of infrastructure, but I didn't know that it was from the Nutric. And then recently, I was just exploring the area near Green Park and Nutric World Business Center. So yeah, I was just seeing this name Nutric like a lot of places, Nutric Global School, Green Park, Lotus Garden, some garden is also there. So and then I was just looking on Facebook should I go with some kind of property. Then I just contacted Nutric Property, and then I got call back, and I also came here to meet sales team, and my experience with sales team was also really good. Akash Dikshit was handling our purchase.
Okay.
And it really went smooth, and we really like the transition.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, sir, for explaining each and everything to us. Well, it feels like that you really had a good journey with us. And ma'am, I also wanted to know from you कि जब आप लोग का डिस्कशन जब चालू हुआ था कि अभी आपको आपके लिए घर देखना है, तो उस दौरान आपका इसमें कितना ज़्यादा मतलब योगदान कह सकते हैं ये था कि जब आपने भी, बिकॉज जब आप घर खरीदते हैं तो इट्स नॉट एक इंसान का डिसीजन, इट हैज़ टू बी होल फैमिली. तो आपका कितना डिसीजन मेकिंग था, और जब आप पहली बार यहाँ पे विजिट किए तो तब आपको कैसे लगा?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस भी मतलब अच्छा था. जब फर्स्ट टाइम विज़िट किया तो मैं फ़र्स्ट टाइम ही पसंद आ गया था, और काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. आकाश ने मतलब अच्छे से हैंडल किया सारा कुछ. और जितनी भी बार हम यहाँ आए हमें मतलब ऐसे होम जैसा ही फील हुआ. हमें कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि हमें दूसरा ऑप्शन देखना चाहिए. तो मतलब फ़र्स्ट टाइम से ही हमें पसंद था. हमने उसी टाइम डिसाइड कर लिया था कि हम यहीं लेंगे.
सर, न्यूट्रिक की कोई भी सिंगल चीज़ आप बताना चाहेंगे जो आपको बहुत मतलब आगे मूव करने के लिए, प्रॉपर्टी परचेस करने के लिए बहुत सेफ लगा? जब भी उस मे बी वो कोई इंट्रैक्शन हो सकती है, मे बी कोई भी एक एम्प्लॉई का आपकी तरफ मतलब काम करने का तरीका हो सकता है, तो कब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सेफ लगा मूव करना?
जो चीज़ हमने नोटिस की वो है प्रोफेशनलिज्म.
या
So starting from sales and CRM, you yourself. So everyone was like they are really professional in their work. And property wise, Nutric, I visited here. Then I came to know like construction wise also they are professional, and the connection that we felt was the professionalism itself. So it feels like we are out of Gwalior. It doesn't feel like we are in Gwalior city, or I would say I've spent time in Gurgaon, in Bangalore, in Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, those kind of metro cities. And coming back to Gwalior, it was like, हमने एक तरह से जुआ खेला कि जाना चाहिए या नहीं जाना चाहिए. It was really hard decision that from tier 3 to coming back to lower tier city. I mean, Gwalior is a good city, definitely. It's my native. I really love it. But when you have been working in a different location and then you want to go back to your native, and then you feel okay, let's find out some properties, okay. And then when visiting this property, it really felt that it is similar to the location that we have been living for so many years. It doesn't feel like I mean that kind of backward city or backward property like that. Yeah. In a good way.
Just one more thing I wanted to ask, because nowadays young parents like you have this question in their mind, kids को लेके they want security. तो यहाँ पे ये सब आपको मतलब यहाँ पे आपको security wise, because you have two very quick kids, so उस way में insecurity पर्पस आपको कैसे लगता है for your kids also?
So it is very recent that we have moved, hardly 6 months. So by looking at his behavior or his like happiness or how he is feeling here in his new school as compared to the previous school, as compared to the previous location. So since being Gwalior as a native, so there is no language bar. In Ahmedabad we felt that little bit, not for me but for her maybe, and for kids.
Correct.
Bangalore also there is a language bar. That wise, I really felt that this place is good for them, especially for kids. They will be connected. Yes. And here are our roots. So connected with the roots is a good thing. So I think that is a good, move that we made. And kids-wise, if you can ask him what he thinks, then I think it will be good. You want to say something?
I just want to say that moving to Gwalior was, I thought the first that it would be a bad opinion, but it was actually good. I like the school and Neoteric properties, so I really like the school.
And what about the ambience? What about the clubhouse, the society?
Yes, I like them all.
Okay.
He's really excited when the swimming pool is open, when the clubhouse is open, you can utilize.
मैम आगरी प्लीज, आपका भी कुछ ओपिनियन जानना चाहूँगी मैं इस बारे में।
मुझे मतलब ओवरऑल अच्छा लगा न्यूट्रिक प्रॉपर्टी। जैसे कि हम बेंगलोर में रहते थे ना, तो बच्चों के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा था, वहाँ पे सारा फैसिलिटीज़ था, स्विमिंग पूल था वैसा। तो अभी जैसे यहाँ पे भी सारा है, तो ये सब मतलब स्पेंड कर पाएंगे नहीं। घर में बच्चे सिर्फ वही टीवी देखना, बोर होना। और हमारे रिलेटिव्स ने भी बोला था कि लाइक घर खरीद लो, तो वो सब नहीं मिलता उधर उनको। तो इसलिए हमें मतलब ये फ्लैट परचेज़ करना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा।
मैं एक चीज़ और आपसे ये जानना चाहूँगी, बिकॉज वी आर इन अ सिटी कॉल्ड ग्वालियर, तो जहाँ पे पीपल स्टिल हैव दिस माइंडसेट कि यार हम लोग को फ्लैट में नहीं इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, हमको प्लॉट लेना चाहिए या घर लेना चाहिए। बट नाउ डेज पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर फ्लैट्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज दे आर लिविंग इन यू नो मेट्रो सिटीज एंड दे आर गेटिंग दिस थिंग कि फ्लैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग विच कैन बी थिंक अवर फ्यूचर। तो वहाँ पे आपको उन लोग के लिए क्या बोलना चाहेंगे जो फ्लैट्स को लेके वैसा कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी?
मैं बस यही बोलना चाहूँगी उनको कि अगर आप इन्वेस्टिंग पर्पज़ से देखना चाहते हैं तो फिर आपके लिए होम बाय करना अच्छा हो सकता है कि आपको वो फ्यूचर में ज़्यादा पैसे दे दे। पर अगर आप अपने बच्चों का फ्यूचर देखना चाहते हैं तो आई थिंक फ्लैट में इन्वेस्ट करना काफ़ी अच्छा है, क्योंकि उन्हें वहाँ पे और बच्चे भी मिलेंगे खेलने के लिए, स्विमिंग पूल और बैडमिंटन, मतलब काफ़ी सारी फैसिलिटीज़ मिलेगी जिनसे वो ग्रो हो पाएंगे। और उनका जब स्किल डेवलपमेंट होगा तो वो इन्वेस्टमेंट काफ़ी अच्छा रहेगा, मतलब मेरे अकॉर्डिंग।
Sir, as compared to other builders in Gwalior, there are n number of builders available in Gwalior. So, when you search for a house, when you go for a house hunt, search a lot of things, you search a lot of developers also. So, why did you choose Nutric only? Because sometimes the price is also, the Nutric prices might be a little higher than the other builders available in the market. So, still, what Nutric did for you that you land up on Nutric only?
Yeah, first of all, I mean, the project is good. That was the main thing, the decision maker. And I think we just went to one or two developer.
Okay.
And the project was also good. But, we didn't feel that connect that we felt here.
Correct.
So we decided to move with Nutric only.
सर, आप पोजेशन के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? जो पोजेशन प्रोसेस होता है न्यूट्रिक का, इज इट ऑन टाइम? द कमिटमेंट्स मेड और नॉट? सो काइंड ऑफ।
Yeah, I would say like possession was on time since it was a Diwali festival season kind of. So 1 or 2 days here and there is considerable. Apart from that, it was on time, I would say. Yeah.
And sir, I would like to know if you want to give us a score in the scale of 1 to 10. So what will it be?
Yeah, since right now there is no any other competitor at that level to match, so I would give 10 out of 10.
Well, thank you so much, sir. And ma'am, what about you?
10 out of 10.
10.
I am fully satisfied.
And at last, I would also like to say about the staff. They are really friendly and they are really professional. Starting from, it doesn't matter like staff is doing what. Even, the office boys or salesperson, CRM, other designer also. I hardly met one or two, but yeah, they are really professional and we enjoy time here actually. Just before, we have not yet moved, but we enjoy being in the office, being in the surroundings. Yeah.
So we do work for, such kind of feedback. So, well, thank you so much for giving so beautiful feedback to ma'am, to you and to Devansh also. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for giving your time. Thank